Hello everyone, today video with the brand new of the battery drill motor, and in front of you is the Dewalt. And today we are going to make a video of the unbox of this Dewalt drill motor. Okay, so now let's open the box. Okay, there are some accessories included in the box, and the point is the motor. They are with two. This motor with two battery and charger. Okay, this 26-volt battery. 26-volt take battery, and another one is also the same 26 on Dewalt. I already use it with drill some hole in my house. It's very good. It's it's a recommend product. It also helps light. This one is and return. In the middle is stuck, cannot push. Include with a screwdriver, and it has the, I don't know how to call it in English, but this is for drilling the wall. This is for drilling the, for example, is the wood or steel. This for screwdriver, and to take out to input the screw, put here, and you have to catch it here, and then the screw is become tighter. Okay, now it's tight. Okay, I drill with the wall more than 3 or 4 hole already, but the battery still in powerful. Also, this for the flexible any area that difficult to put the drill in. Charger, you have to clip it like here, like this, and then plug to 220 voltage. And this one is for the wall drilling, but this not included with the box. You have to buy it optional. There are three sides of the wood drill. I don't know how to say it in English. Wood drill saw, maybe it's saw something. 3 sides, and this one for the steel. Also 3 sides. the tape, PVC tape, but I think this one is not much, but it's okay, it's free. Nice. No. Okay, a knife, and then 4 of the, what's called, what it's called in English, I'm not sure, screw or something. Just put it like this, and then plug it with the motor. Okay. And that's all for everything in the box. Okay, thank you everyone for your time watching this unboxing of this Dewalt Drill battery motor. And sorry for any mistake during the unboxing and linking or something. And I hope you enjoy the video, and please make sure you subscribe for more video. Bye bye and have a nice day.